Wix versus Shopify for small online stores. Which one should you use? Wix and Shopify can both get your products online fast. The mistake is choosing based on how easy the first weekend feels, then realizing the platform doesn't fit your store once you have real orders, returns, and questions to answer. The better choice depends on whether you're building a website that sells or a store that happens to have a website. I'll explain the differences clearly, and I'll save one deciding check for the end that makes the choice feel obvious. What Wix is best for in small stores? Wix is a website builder first. It shines when your brand story and pages matter as much as your checkout. If you sell a small catalog, offer services alongside products, or want a polished site without feeling like you're running a full commerce system, Wix can feel simple and friendly. For many small sellers, the biggest win is how quickly you can design pages, tweak layouts, and keep everything looking consistent. If your store is a supporting feature of your brand, Wix can be enough, and it can feel calm to manage. The honest limitation is that when selling becomes the main event, you may start wanting deeper store workflows and tighter commerce controls. What Shopify is best for in small stores? Shopify is an e-commerce platform first. It's built around products, inventory, checkout flow, payments, shipping, and the daily reality of running a store. Even if you have a small store today, Shopify is designed to keep working when your store gets busier. If you plan to add more product variants, run frequent promotions, sell across multiple channels, or spend time optimizing conversions, Shopify tends to feel like a stronger foundation. It's less about crafting a pretty site and more about building a selling machine that's stable under pressure. The honest trade-off is that you can end up paying for power you don't use if you only need a simple shop with a few items. How they work day to day once orders start coming in. This is where which is better becomes real. Wix often feels design forward. You can adjust your pages fast, keep your site looking exactly how you want, and focus on presentation. That's great when your brand is the differentiator. Shopify often feels operations forward. When orders, refunds, customer emails, and inventory questions stack up, Shopify's structure can reduce friction because it's built for that routine. A common mistake is choosing Wix because the editor feels easier, then getting annoyed later when you need tighter selling tools. Another mistake is choosing Shopify because it's famous, then realizing your store is simple and you mostly needed a clean website with a checkout button. The hidden trade-offs that matter most for small sellers. Think about checkout and conversion first. Shopify is optimized for selling, and that can matter even with a small catalog if you care about turning visitors into buyers reliably. Then think about growth friction. If you expect your product line to expand, your shipping rules to get more complex, or your marketing to become more serious, Shopify usually handles that evolution more smooth. Finally, think about time cost. Wix can save time on design and content changes. Shopify can save time on store operations and selling workflows. The better one is the one that saves you time in the part of the business you actually spend on. The deciding check that makes the choice obvious. Here's the check I held back. Ask yourself, what will I do more often? Design pages or manage selling? If you'll spend most of your time on branding, content, and a small shop that supports your site, Wix is usually the better fit. If you'll spend most of your time on products, orders, shipping, and improving sales performance, Shopify is usually the better. Choose the platform that matches your future workload, not just your first launch day. And don't forget to check the description for helpful resources that will make things easier. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more.